Hi everyone.
We've called Juice and Marina's YouTube channel home for the past couple of years, and we're super happy to say that we've reached a huge milestone for the channel. 1 million subscribers.
This really means a lot to us because it means that you, along with at least 1 million other of you guys, appreciated the hard work that we do to bring you these videos.
So to celebrate this great moment and to thank you for your trust, let's take a step back and enjoy some of the interesting moments we had along the way.
Now, even though our goal as hosts is to come off as confident as possible, that's not always what happens. Hey everyone. Hey everyone. Hey everyone. Hey everyone. So this is take one. Is this the right phone? X2 Pro. Forgetting my lines. I sound like a pterodactyl.
Shit's dirty.
But as they say, it's a really...
Then we have a safe take, and on I move to the middle section.
It's not going to get selfie enthusiasts excited, that's for sure.
The OnePlus 7T.
It seems... Dude, I overdid the coffee. Like, my hands are so shaky. Look at that. This is not the entire conclusion. To the middle section. Okay, what the am I doing? And this is why... Hat.
See ya. One of them worked.
Rate this video, hit the like button down below, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button down below, subscribe, hit the bell icon, then see you next time.
Also, sometimes we push the fun a little bit more than the job really needs us to.
The design is so utilitarian that it's as if someone has ripped a vitroceramic hot plate off a kitchen top. Dude, are you serious?
Oh, I like the Aura pink one. Let me get a closer look. No, Will, where are you going? Hold up, let me see.
It improves grip and prevents the phone from doing this.
There's even a loud mode which comes on if you raise the volume past the highest notch.
And with its oleophobic coating, it's easy to clean too.
It's certainly a great conversation starter. Thank you. And it works great as a serving tray, but how does it stack up as a phone?
Bringing it back to the front, let's talk about Moto's Shatter Shield display. It's plastic.
The XA2 Ultra is a monster. Probably not the most comfortable for people with small hands. But if you love big screens, you can make it work.
Look what the courier just brought. A ton of bubble wrap. Nah, actually, that's not it. They brought this box from LG.
Along with 3 other microphones, the U11 listens for a hot word to wake either Google Assistant or even Amazon's Alexa. Nobody's talking to you, stop.
Finally, the Google Pixel retains IP68 water resistance. Although there's no official IP rating, Realme says the 5 Pro
We don't just push ourselves hard, we also push the phones as hard as they can go.
And finally, some of the stuff that we work on just turns out so epic that just makes us want to replay it over and over again, even if that means getting new sneakers.
I'm Will for GSM Arena, and this is our super slow-mo video shootout. But the credit for these videos is not just for me, Angie, and Ricky. We're part of the GSM Arena family, and we have a wonderful team working hard behind the scenes that you almost never see. They're always there for us and never mind giving a helping hand. And we can always count on them to be, well, our partners in crime.
But most of all, we have you to thank for helping us get to where this channel is now. And we're humbled by your trust in us and the responsibility that comes with it. So, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.